Welcome back to another video. Today we got a Fortress Ultra Quiet series. Email from Harbor Freight. We got some coupons there for all the compressors. Don't forget to smash the like button, hit the subscribe, hit the bell for more tool reviews, more tool deals. Harbor Freight, Home Depot, Lowe's. Alright, let's go ahead and get started. It says Fortress Ultra Quiet Series, 80% quieter, 2 times longer life, up to 50% lighter, 28% more runtime. We got a video here. Let's see what. Well, I guess the video took me to the Black Friday huge 3-day sale. So that's another video right there. That's weird. Let me just click on it again, see if it'll... No, guess it's not working. Yeah, but I do have another video for that. The 3-day sale. I believe it's before this one. The first coupon we have is the 1 gallon, 0.5 horsepower, 135 psi, ultra quiet, oil-free professional air compressor for $129.99. Then we got the 2 gallon, 1.2 horsepower, 35 psi. Ultra quiet, oil-free, professional air compressor. So you got the bigger one here, and you got the smaller one here. So this is 2 gallons. This one's $159. The Dennet Tools, I don't know if you guys follow him, but he did a video comparing. I can't remember which one of these he compared. I think it's this one. Anyways, he compared one of these two with a competitor, and it did pretty good. He was, he said it was pretty good quality and everything. Also, the gauges here, all the gauges and this valve here, everything is very well made and very understandable. And it does have a valve here, a drainage valve at the bottom. Great location. So these are a little bit newer, newer quality or than the black ones basically. But it's the McGraw's and the Fortress are the new ones. Alright, let's see here. We got good central pneumatic, $159.99. This is usually $149.99. We got better McGraw Superior compressors, 25 times or percentage quieter, 2 times lifespan. With this one's the 20 gallon oil lube air compressor, $169.99. 21 gallon oil free air compressor for $219.99. You got the 8 gallon 125 psi oil lube air compressor, $104.99. You got the 8 gallon 150 psi portable oil free air compressor, $114.99. We got good value new central pneumatic air compressors. We got a 29 gallon 150 psi oil lube air compressor, $339. This is a big boy here, a big short guy. 60 gallon 165 psi 2-stage oil lube air compressor, $179. This is a tall. This is a big one. 9 gallon 135 psi gas powered wheelbarrow air compressor. It's a nice little air compressor for the on the road shop. $549.99. You got the 30 gallon 180 psi truck bed gas powered air compressor. Same thing with this one, just under $1,000. You got the 3 gallon 100 psi pancake oil free, $45.99. We've seen this for $39.99. So that's not the best coupon out there, or some from before. We've seen lower. 6 gallon 150 psi professional oil free air compressor, $99.99. And then we got the 17 gallon 150 psi, $49.99. 26 gallon 150 psi oil free air compressor, $170. Alright, we got the 100 feet manual steel air hose reel, $14.99. The 3/8 by 50 retractable air hose reel, $59.99. And then you got the 3/8 by 50 feet enclosed retractable air hose reel by Diablo, $69.99. You got the 3/8 by 50 professional retractable air hose reel by Diablo, $94.99. You got the 5-piece brass industrial coupler connector set. I need to get myself one of these. Got a couple air tools that don't have couplers. Brass industrial for $5.99. Then you got the 17-piece air tool accessory kit. Maybe even this one's probably even worth it. $6.99 because it does include all these tools. HVLP gravity feed air spray gun, $9.99. You got 3/8 by 50 feet industrial grade rubber air hose reel, or air hose, not reel, by Diablo, $18.99. You got the impact wrench, 1/2 inch and 1/2 inch with anvil. That's the anvil right there. It's extended, $74.99. You got the Pro Impact wrenches, 1/2 inch composite Pro. Then you got the 2-inch anvil, $94.99. You got the 1/2 inch stubby ultralight extreme torque air impact wrench for $94.99. You got the Pro air impact wrenches, 1/2 inch composite Pro. You got the regular and you got the extension with 2-inch anvil, $129.99. And these are the new spray guns they have. Spectrum Ideal Paint Gun for Auto Restoration. I can't read today. Professionals 5 times lifespan of standard guns times 2 cleanability. So you got the Professional HTE compliant spray gun. It says high transfer efficiency, superior volume, designed for water. I can't read that. Adjustable fluid control, well balanced, high. Yep. For $99.99. Looks pretty nice. You got the spray one, the HLVP spray gun. So this is like this one, but really like higher quality. And for $99.99, you got your choice there. You got the Merlin Professional Air Accessories, Industrial Head and Air Check Inflator, $36.99. Extended Dual Foot Air Chuck Inflator for $6.99. You got the Dual Head Air Chuck Inflator Dial Gauge, $14.99. These are nice. 2-piece Dual Head Chuck Inflator Gauge, $9.99. Pistol Grip Blowgun, $3.99. Blowgun with safety tip and rubber tip, $5.99. Air hose blowgun with 2 feet extension, $7.99. You got the high flow blowgun kit, $19.99. You got the Pierce job site ready contractors for life durability, 18 gauge brad nailer, $39.99. 15 gauge finish nailer, $79.99. You got the 21-inch framing nailer for $149.99. 15-degree coil. Did I say inch on these? It's this one's these are gauge, and this is 21-inch degree and 15-inch degree, or 15 degree. See, I keep saying inch for some reason. $149.99. You got the 23 gauge pin nailer, $24.99. You got the 16 gauge finish air nailer for $69.99. 30 degree and 34 degree frame and nailer. I guess it's adjustable. You got the 2-in-1 flooring air nailer stapler for $119.99. These are the banks. The better ones are the Pierce. All right, guys. That's it for today. Don't forget to smash the like button, hit the subscribe, hit the bell, and we'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.